In this video, I will show you how to take your finished video clips in Google Flow and transform them into stunning 4K masterpieces using specialized upscaling tools. While the default output is impressive, there are a few professional secrets you need to know to get the highest quality possible. The process begins right in your Flow timeline where you have your finished scene ready to go. First, select the specific clip or the entire scene you want to enhance. Instead of just hitting the standard export, you will click on the download button and choose the original size option, which is typically 720p. You might be tempted to use the default 1080p upscale provided in the software, but for the best results, it is actually better to start with the raw original file. This is because the latest generations feature highly specific textures that require a professional touch to upscale without losing detail. Once you have your file, you need a powerful upscaler like Topaz Video AI. This is widely considered the industry standard for film creators because it features a dedicated framework built specifically for these types of generations. Open the software and import your clip, then navigate to the model settings. You want to look for the specific upscaler framework that is optimized for Google Flow text-to-video generations. This allows the artificial intelligence to interpret the unique pixels and sharpen them into a crystal clear 4K resolution while maintaining the cinematic feel.